Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today, doing a cooking video. I'm gonna be making grilled cheeses. I got this electric skillet and I'm super excited to use it. Here it is. I'm so excited, guys. Can you believe? Now I feel like I'm a professional. Now just gotta plug it in. Oh, here's the cord. Okay. I've never used it, so I don't know how to use it. But we'll figure it out. Okay. So I'm gonna set it on 300 degrees. It helped that it heats it fast, which I think it does. Let's just let some of the air come out. I'm gonna be making a lot because this is dinner for everybody. Oh, you're heating up, good. Okay. I haven't even got anything prepped. Let's see, I need a spatula. No. To be one. Wait. This is. Oh my gosh. Come on. I can pause this video. Okay, guys, spatula now. I get everything else because it's heating up fast. We have some provolone and Swiss. I can get everything outside. Oh, gee. Okay, I'm gonna put it lower. Let's just put it off. I'm gonna put it off. I think we got everything. No, I need a knife. Emily, no, you can have the stuff. Okay, so we got the cheese, bread, knife, skillet, spatula. Okay, now we're gonna. I'm winded because I've been doing a lot of running. Okay, so thankfully this thing heats up fast. So let's get the knife, put on some butter. Oh, this is completely melted. Well, not melted, but like it's softened to the point where this is definitely softened. I'm just now adding the butter on. This is going to be a successful masterpiece. And if you guys notice, this is not a Brandon Bakes. Hence the title. It doesn't have a Brandon Bakes, so. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, and I just need to wait for. Okay, I think it's heating up quickly, so let's just put on the plate, the bread. This. I'm making. How many do I want to make? I think I want to make 4. 2 for me, 1 for Kaden in particular. Not the end bread, because nobody wants the end bread on a grilled cheese. Oh my gosh. This is perfect. Okay, what's the spatula? Right now the top is extending on the cheese, so. There we go. Now, this is my first time making a cooking video in forever. Hopefully it turns out well. Oh, I burnt myself. Okay. Oh, it has a weird smell. I don't think I'll be cooking very long, like very much on this. Like, this just has like a weird smell. I need to get a plate. I struggle on getting it a plate accessible. This one's gonna have the one that has the cheese on it, and we're gonna be starting with provolone. I just have to open it. This looks perfect.
Yeah, it's fine. So I spoke to someone and they were saying that after 2 hours of like first thing, they're not able to change the flour to the first.
This smoke, I think you guys can see it. It's like burning like really quickly. Okay, I'm gonna take everything off the top. This is what the color is gonna do. Grilled cheese is on, and we need as much spice as possible for as much grilled cheese as possible. Just gonna move all these cords out of the way. This one's gonna be the one with the cheese on it because the other one cooked too quickly. Can I not put cheese on it quickly? So nothing burns too much. Because it's not thinly sliced. Okay, now we gotta go like this. I need to put a little more butter on. What's that? Okay, here it is. Ow! Jeez, it's hot.
Yeah, I got the name of the person.
This is my first time ever cooking on this electric skillet. I like always hope to cook. This is my first time cooking by myself. And I swear if I touch this thing again, I'm gonna scream. This is gonna be very buttery, and that's worrying. I don't want the soggy grilled cheese, right?
That will be a Walmart.
Okay.
Walmart.
My God.
Correct.
Okay, I gotta put you back up because I don't want you guys to get stale. Okay, everything's done. Here's one grilled cheese. Oh geez, oh geez, oh geez, oh geez. You're getting hot real quick. Hot to touch. Hot to touch. Hot to touch. Hot to touch. Hot to touch.
I own you. So.
Now, if we're gonna be smart to do 2 pieces of bread at the same time, because then it'll all be evenly cooked and don't have to worry about one side being more burnt than the other when it's time for me to put the cheese on. Let me just take the cheese. I'm gonna put a little bit of a Swiss. I'm gonna put some Swiss. Uh-oh. Stuck in the paper plate. Can I have some of the Swiss? Oh, jeez, you've melted. You're softened for real. You're nice, hot, and warm, and melty. Now let's check on the bread. Okay, let's put this one on. You need to move. Oh no. You gotta go on. You gotta be on. Okay. I need a little bit of butter. Not a lot, just a little bit more. Just like a dab.
A dab. Hey, my question is, how are you cooking?
The butter in the fridge for a minute so it can get softened. 2 done, 3 to go. I'm doing 5. I'm already tired. Never already done 2. Now I'm gonna turn this off so that I'll cut it this way so that I can have the butter harden a little bit, but we don't want to wait too long because that grease is going to dry up and then it won't be useful anymore. So, but these grilled cheeses are looking like a masterpiece. As you can see, I'm in my full Dragon Ball Z attire, which I don't know why I'm wearing Dragon Ball Z because I don't even watch the series anyway. But as you know, we make grilled cheese, which I don't think that has anything to do with Dragon Ball Z, but
No, we don't like.
Okay. Okay, yes. Oh god, okay. So that's 3 down, 2 to go. Okay, so I got this. Okay. Oh no.
Okay.
Okay.
Now what are you doing?
Okay.
Hello. Okay. You look at you. Don't stretch. No, don't stretch. You look adorable. You know, like your face. Alright. Hello. Excuse me. You done looking around and stuff? You already know physically? That's fine. Like, to be honest, there's more girls out there more than boys. And there's actually more outfits than boys. Uh-oh, I have to turn it off. I'm gonna put it in the dock. Ooh. Ow. Ow.
I'm tired. So that moment of silence, I'm tired of
I do not know what this
grilled cheese
is.
is.
So like, this is hard. Pac-Man free. Pac-Man free.
Okay. Turn you off. I'm not done. I just need to see if I'm making grilled cheese for anybody else. Because if not, I'm done. See, I'm done making grilled cheeses. Look at my little grilled cheese tower.
Clyde, you're not doing your job. You're just doing how you was. Close job.
Okay.
That's your job. What's wrong with you?
Well,
Right now,
see you
I'm
guys
gonna
next time.
eat this.